Hello students, how are you all? Hope all of you are well. Today we are going to discuss class 6 maths exercise 3.1 question number 2. In the previous video I had explained you, I have introduced you about the chapter playing with numbers. In that chapter or introduction I had given you each and every information about the factor, multiples, and today we are going to solve the question number 2 of exercise 3.1. So let's start question number 2. In the question number 2 is write the 5 multiples of. Write the 5 multiples of. What you have to write? You have to write 5 multiples of. There are some numbers, that table you have to write, okay? So 5, 8 and 9. 5, 8 and 9. So what you have to write? 5 multiples. What are the 5 multiples? What do you understand by the multiples? Multiples means multiplying by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 till infinity. So that's why the multiples are infinitive, but the factors are finite, because we know that only these numbers are divisible by that number. So that's why the factors are different, means it is definite, it is finite. But if we talk about the multiples, multiples are indefinite. We don't know that how many multiples are there of any number. There are indefinite numbers, okay? So now we will talk about the multiples of 5. Can you tell me what will be the multiples? Just multiply 5 with 1. So 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, 5 3 is 15, 5 4 is 20, 25. Only 5 multiples we have to write. So already 5 is given. So if you don't want to write 5, then please start from 10. If you want to write 5, then it's okay. Then otherwise you can write the 6 multiples. 8 tables also. 8 1 is 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48. 9 table. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45. But if you want to write the 5 multiples, then you can write only these 5 multiples. Got it? So if you have a knowledge about the table, then it's very easy to find the multiples of any number. So my dear students, I hope that all of you must remember table till 20. If you don't know the table till 20, first of all write in your notebook. After writing, try to learn it. It's very easy. You know, when we think that it's very hard, then only we feel hard. If you think easy, I'm damn sure you can learn table till 20 in one day. Guarantee, either you are in first standard or you are in 10th standard, in any standard you are, you can learn table till 20 in 1 hour. Okay? So let's start question number 3. I hope all of you have written this question number 2. So now we will move towards the question number 3. Question number 3 is match the following. Means it is a column, 2 columns are given, in which you have to just show these numbers are multiples of that number or not. So can we start? All of you have taken a screenshot, or all of you have written this question in your notebook. So we are starting question number 3. So question number 3 is that we have to just make a match the following box, and in that match the following box, the 2 columns are there, column A and column B, right? Question number 3, column 1 and column 2. So there is 2 column 1 and column 2. I hope all of you know how to write the match the followings. So there are 5 questions in column 1. First, second, third, fourth and fifth. Right? 35, 15, 16. 35, 15, 16, 20 and 25. 20 and 25. And here multiples of 8. First answer is multiples of 8. Multiples of 8. Second is multiples of 7. Multiples of 7. Multiples of 7. Third is multiples of 70. Multiples of 70. 70. Okay. So factor of 30, factor of 50, factor of 20. Factors of 30. Right? Factors of 30 or factor of 30. Factor of 30 or factors. Here only one number is there. So factor will come Fifth is factor of 50 and factor of 20. Factor of 50 and factor of 20. Now just check the question very carefully. After understanding the question, what we have to do in this question, we have to do match the following. Okay, see, a 35 is there. Just see anywhere. Multiples of 70 is there here. Okay, multiples of 7 is also there. So can you tell me what will be the 35? It will be a multiples of 7, because in the 7 table 35 comes, right? Rest all are factors of 30. 35 can't be. So factors of 50 also it can't be. Factors of 30 also it can't be. Multiples of 70 also it can't be. So we know 35 will be the multiples of 7. Got it? Now 15. Can you tell me 15? 15 will be the factor of 30. Factor of 30, right? 15 2s are 30, so it will be a factor of 30. If I talk about the 16, it is a multiples of it, right? It is multiples of it. If I talk about the 20, 20 is a factor of 20. And if I talk about factor of 25, means it is a factor of 20. See, there was one wrong extra option in this column 2 to just confuse you, that you should specially put on the wrong answer, you should put the answer. So that's why we must be very much alert. And after matching this, how you will write? You will write here, first answer is B, right? Second answer is D. Third answer is A. Fourth answer is F. And fifth answer is E. So you can write like this. This is the way of writing, and here it is written in the numerical, so that Roman number also you can write. Indian system I have written here. So by this way you can understand the question number 3, column 1 and column 2. If you are having any doubt related to both the columns, then you can tell me. You can see B, D, A, F, E are the answers of question number 3. Now we will move towards the question number 4. Now in the question number 4, find all the multiples of 9 up to 100. Means whole 9 table we have to understand in question number 4. All of you can write these answers, or you can take a screenshot. I hope all of you have written the answers. Now we are moving towards the question number 4. In the question number 4, a question is just like that. You have to show the multiples of 9 till 100. Till 100. So you can write the question in your notebook. Question is, find all the multiples of 9 up to 100. Find all the multiples. Find all the multiples of 9 up to 100. Have you understand the question or not? First of all, you have to write the multiples of 9. 9 tables, you know, right? Can you tell me 9 table? 9 1 ja 9, 9 2 ja 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90. Yes, till here you know, right? But 11 9s are 99 and 12 9s are 108. So here till 99 we have to write. Because till 100, find all the multiples of 9 up to 100. Got it the question? Means you have to just find the multiples of 9. Instead of 9, you can write 9 into 1, 9, 9 into 2, 18 means whole 9 table you can write. And after till 10, 9 11s are 99. So by this way you can find all the multiples of 9. If you want to write like this, then you can write like this also. If you don't want to write like this, then directly you can put here 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72 and 81, 90 and 99 are the multiples of 9 up to 100. Got it? Are you understanding the answer or not? If you are not able to understand, then you can ask me a question. This was our exercise 2.1. Sorry, 3.1. Now we will move ahead about the 3.2 also. But before that, if I will ask you, just 2 questions I want to ask you. Write the multiples of 11 up to 50. Can you tell me? Up to 50. If I ask you the same question, you have to write the multiples of 11 till 50. So what you will do? 11 1 is 11, 22, 33, 44. I have said only till 50. 11 5 is 55 is there. So these 4 will be the multiples of 11. A very easy question, but you should understand. I will tell you, write the 21 multiples till 100. So what you will do in this question, you will say, sir, you have said learn only till 20 table and you have given here 21. So no need to worry. You can just write here 21 table. 21 1 ja, 21 2 ja, 21 3 ja, 21 4 ja, 21 5 ja, 21 6 ja, 21 7 ja, 21 8 ja, 21 9 ja, and 21 10. I have said you till 200, right? So it will be very easy. See 21, if you don't know, then you can multiply. 1 1 ja 1, 1 2 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, 6 1 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12, 7 1 ja 7, 7 2 ja 40, 8 1 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 9 1 ja 9, 9 2 ja 18, 10 0 ja 0, 10 2 ja 20. So you can see here, this is the table of 21. What I have said to you, I have just informed you to write the multiples of 21 up to 200. So up to 200, 210, sorry, here it will be 210. So what will be the multiples of 20? So here you can see 21, 42, 63, 84, 105, 126, 147, 186, 168, 168, 189, and then 210 we don't have to write because I have said you to write till 200 only. So you can see these are the multiples of 21 up to 200. Similarly, if any questions you will get related to the multiples up to, if I will tell you write the multiples of 1 up to 100, then no need to write them directly 1 to 100 here. Got it? If I will tell you about write the multiples of 2 up to 100, then 2 table you have to continue till 100. Okay? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 20, you know. After that 22, 24, 26 means all the even number up to 100. Got it? So you can understand that how to find the multiples up to any digit of any numbers. Got it? If you are having any doubt related this multiples, then you can definitely drop your doubt into the comment box section so I can understand that you are facing doubt in this. But if you don't have doubt, then whatever the homeworks I am giving you, so just correlate the homework with the videos and after then try to solve this. If you are still facing any problem, then in the descriptive box I will solve all these questions and I will give you. I hope you are understanding what I want to say. If you are still facing any problem in the factors and multiples, because this is our first exercise. In this exercise you must not face any problem. Yeah, sometimes what happens, you by mistake you write it wrong. Yeah, it's okay, but especially when you give examination, that time you should not do this by mistake, because that time you will lose your marks, right? So that's why I'm telling you, try to understand and do more and more practice of math. So that's why, so today I'm giving you some homeworks. You have to write up to 100 the multiples of 2, 5, 7, 9 and 10. So these are the 5 questions up to 100, up to 100. Write the multiples of these digits 2, 5, 7, 9 and 10 up to 100. So these are all the 5 questions you have to solve by yourself. I hope that you will solve, because if you have seen this video, then it's very easy to solve. That's all for today. I hope all of you have understand. Thank you for watching. You can share this video with your friends also. If your friends are studying in any other school, they are not getting video, then you can share this video with your friends also. That's all for today. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Share this video with your friends. You can take a screenshot that what is our homework. I hope all of you have taken your screenshot. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye-bye.